Are you helping Mommy put up Christmas ornaments or what? Hey. Hi. Hi. Ooh, no hands. Yay! Oh, hands. It's too scary, really. Oh, there he goes. Are you proud? Oh. Do you want a ball? Can you grab it? Yay, Pumpkin! That's real good. Don't lose your concentration and fall over, because you don't know how to get back up yet. Hey, will you give me one smile? Hey, Ty. Hey. Hey. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're very busy, and I'm interrupting. Okay, say bye-bye. Hey, Ty. Say bye-bye. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Ty. No. You're too busy. That's okay. Goodbye.